Right, so I'm off to my workshop to go and do some sorting. Yeah, I've got a couple of hours free. It's a Sunday, so yeah, let's get down there, see if we can do a little bit of sorting and tidying and get this place ready to start making again. Right, time to get stuck in. There's a lot of MDF dust, so yeah, precautions. I'll pop a time lapse up and let's see how we get on. Oh my days, I've got around the place covered in dust. Yeah, so I can see some floor. I found some cool stuff though. Table legs that I'd forgotten about and tools and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, there's going to be a lot that's going to be just thrown away, I think. But yeah, this chair, a mid-century chair. I think I'm going to stick that on Facebook. I was going to try and restore it, but it's taking up so much space. I think I'm just going to put that on Facebook. So yeah, more digging in.
"2,000 years later."
Right, so I'm back home. I got some done. Believe it or not, that's like nearly 2 hours work. I've like half filled our commercial bin with cardboard, got rid of half a bin liner full of sawdust, and jam-packed my car full of stuff for donations, stuff to put job lots on Facebook, and then just stuff to donate as well. Quite a lot of stuff to donate. So progress, but it's just annoying having to put stuff back in that place. But the stuff that I've put back in the place is for when I go the next time with an empty car, and I'll photograph that stuff, and that's stuff for Facebook, try and get rid of either for free or for, like a low price. So yeah, slow and steady progress. I'll try and get another one of these videos out soon to document my progress. Hopefully get it soon, but it's going to take a long time to get this workshop space sorted. So I hope that's interesting. If you like this kind of video to see sort of woodworking, making in a space when I finally get it done, please hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. To stay tuned to, this kind of journey that I'm on. So yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.